Service Arizona, see if you can renew your owner's permit.
I was thinking of that too. Big clouds on this side.
Did you? Oh yeah, you did have income. Did we? I don't know if we used your income
The last time?
the last time we tried to get that loan. Well, we didn't try to get a loan. That guy wanted to give us a loan. He wanted to pay $10,000 cash for that car, and he turned it into a big project.
Like somebody to
But did we use your income? Maybe.
I'm not too sure, but I think
Probably, but we couldn't put you. It was hard to put you on the loan.
yeah. Well, there was a reason why I can't be because of my
Said
son.
it'd be higher interest if we put you on the loan.
Yeah, so we just decided not to cancel. Just you by yourself, I
Yeah, but
think.
but me by myself. But did we use your income?
I think we tried, but I'm not sure. I don't remember anymore.
Yeah.
All I know, it's better not.
And that front wheel drive, it should behave pretty good on the slippery roads. That's a rainy looking day over there.
It's look thick.
But I don't see evidence of the flood that you saw at our house.
No, we'll get to know.
So
I know it's
maybe
raining on the others.
it's here.
Yeah, and then if you look at the other side, it's kind of sunny and green clouds, and then you see the side in here is thick, and then you look on the other side, very nice sunny. It's kind of nice there. Good thing you changed your wiper.
So tell me again,
What am I going
what
to
did
tell
Bill
you?
say that John gets up and just starts talking?
Say that again?
What did you tell me that Bill said? You said, oh, you inspired Bill.
Oh, okay, that he's going to practice, not just read the
Did you
sermon.
say that, or you?
No, I was just assuming.
Oh, okay.
That's
I thought he said.
No. That's what because what he told you the other Sunday, John, that was a good one, or something like that.
Yeah.
And he told me, I said, maybe.
But he has said that before and not
I know, but now he's just inspired.
But the problem is he got a little lost when he tried doing it without the reading.
Yeah, I know.
But
It's just
it
like
was a good
there's
try.
like a pause or some kind of.
Well, he got lost. He had to look at the paper.
Yeah, but
But he tried to get up and just make
get
a
up and not
conversation.
instead of.
And I read all the scriptures and stuff.
But
And
it's
I
just-
still read from my notes.
It's just come up to. But it's nice today.
It was very good today.
Good today that
It was well.
he has
It
four.
was a good message.
4
and
points.
It was well presented.
Yeah. Yeah, I know why you're here. We'll just see that there's already flooding on the left side here.
Look at. Look at the water running under the road. Look at that road.
Oh, it is.
Did you see it? It's running like our
Oh,
wash.
yeah, I saw it. Oh, scared me because I was too.
Well, so I do believe water can come over that culvert.
Uh-huh.
That it was running.
Where
like
is
a
it coming
river.
from?
Well, it
From the other
did.
side?
Well, what you were seeing is right. It rained hard up here. That water was moving.
Whew. I wonder if ours is also at the back.
Oh yeah, surely. If it's like here.
Oh.
Look, never mind.
Do not.
Just a little puddle.
Good
I
thing.
saw the reflection. I
Good.
got all excited.
Good thing you're the one driving,
Look at this.
because I got to learn.
Look at this water.
You don't get panicked by me.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
this
I
is
panicked
just-
myself.
You panic me. It's really strong.
It's
The
really
full-
moving.
I wonder what the house that lives there.
That
It
one.
must have poured so hard, Annie. Yeah. How come we got this kind of many already in the morning? Like still noon. You already have fulls. What do we have? Oh, there's a underneath in here. There's like
Look
a
at that over there. though.
holes
It's really
like that.
coming
Yeah.
down.
Are they okay? They seem stop by and doing something else.
Look at the river right behind these trees.
Wait, that's even flowing there. I thought that's
That's where the
I thought that's a
that's where the
driveway.
wash is.
Is this even flowing here? Oh, I wonder what the. How many Sundays already been? Oh, this is really strong.
Yeah, the last that one Sunday we came home and the road was washed out. Remember? That was Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
That was last week.
Yeah.
This is absolutely incredible.
Why is this the first time you've seen rain in
Like this, like
in
every
a-
day,
in a lifetime?
like not just a drizzle every day. We're
No,
talking
this is
water.
serious. Oh, it's still the same though. I missed that part though. Oh, can you look at that and then flowing?
incredible.
Oh, you know the neighbor with horses? They got the flood for
They're gonna be
a
flooded till-
month.
Yeah.
I wonder if they like to go home or go out
They
or
said,
something.
well, we didn't see this coming when we bought this property. Do you think they're new? Do you think they bought that place?
No, they
Wasn't that place for sale at one time?
Oh, yeah, that's right. Oh, I see. Those are for sale. What do they do? The water is just confusing. Going there or going here? Greens galore. See, it must have rain here. You know, like the downpour when we were preparing for the turkey. It's about that time. See the back. And then if you look in here, it's got a blue sky, nice clouds, and this neighbor don't know what to do. I wonder how you. They tried to
Are there
put
cars
some.
out here? I don't see if they move their cars out.
Is there a way for them to pass, or is this the only way?
You can just drive through that. As long as you got gravel, you're not going to sink in the mud. It's not It's not flowing hard. It's not a danger.
It's not a danger, but it's been like that. Oh, water is coming to their house now.
Yeah. Look at this.
Yes, this is flowing. Is it?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
flowing.
It is, yeah.
So it splits somewhere near our house. Some of it goes this way, some
Yeah,
of it
because
goes
of
that way.
I think this one probably goes there. It depends though.
Look at this guy's turning around because the road might be flooded.
Is that our house?
Yeah.
Oh.
Did he just backed up? I thought maybe he saw the flooded road
Wow.
and decided not to go.
Oh.
I'll bet you the road's flooded.
But probably not that hard.
I don't know. This is running pretty good over here, baby.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's turning again. Is he confused or is he just in?
No, I don't know.
You want to see and then
Well, he's
we
blocking
just want
the
to
way.
say. No, he's going just in.
Is he?
I
Is he
don't know,
turning
darling.
around?
No, love, he's confused.
Yeah, I think he's turning around. Probably because is the road wet? I don't see water on the road.
Oh, no, I see water on the other side.
Is it flooded?
We'll just do backward. He can tell us. Is it flooded? Oh,
Yeah.
it is flooded. Oh no, love, this is serious, dear. Good thing you just changed your mind. Allah.
Well, because of this. I didn't know it the last week, but this week I know it.
Allah. We should call the whoever that. I wonder the post that will stay on that. You think? Did you hear they go shh? Oh,
Look at that garden. Those people
garden?
really must have a green thumb.
they do. I'm proud of them.
Look at
Where
that.
do they? I want to see their garden. You got a nice garden, Bod.
Those are
Hollyhock.
hollyhocks.
You think your hollyhock will
They're
survive?
looking good. Oh yeah. They'll die back in the winter. But
It's really strong though. Like, we got to go see there.
flooded again.
Flooded again. What is wrong with this picture? What is it, every Sunday? What is oh, the chickens are happy. I
The
don't know.
turkey isn't. Look at the turkey with the feathers out in the back.
Get a letters gathered. Are they
What
scared?
are they doing there?
Are you scared?
No, but I wonder why are they gathering all right there?
Something is not right. It was really hard, honey. Did you hear that?
Yep, I hear it. It's a running.
Oh, I know what. I know the chickens are. This is our Rose. Thank you, Rose.